Yeah, see, now the unexpected error message is what error? Unexpected error while occurring the, I mean, because we haven't configured anything, the process only will not run, right?
Yeah.
That error is showing. Click on that error message. See, unable to initialize the first step, connector operation not specified. In the start shape only we haven't configured what step should be done next. So that is the error we got. Okay. This is how you can see. Like that you can see in organization you will have n number of entries for this executions. Like every minute, every second one process will be run. Right. That data you can see here. Okay. Any doubts in this process reporting?
No, Chaitra.
Okay, now go back to deployed process. See, there that is in still in red color. Now come to all. Yeah, that is still in red in color. If that is in green, then only the process, then only it means that the process is successfully transferred or successfully completed.
Okay.
Now this is showing error. That means the process is not run successfully. When the process has run successfully, that will be turned to green in color.
Okay.
Okay. Here you have actions. Click on actions there. Yeah, you can view process, view deployment, whatever this process is related to, that the details can be seen here. Okay. Now come to deploy, undeploy the process now. Whatever you have deployed, undeploy that one. Now any doubts until here, Shakti?
No, Chaitra. I will go through this recording once, Chaitra, and I will.
Yeah, sure. Go through that and tomorrow also you can come up with doubts.
I have
Deploy, package components,
deployments.
deployments, yeah, deployments. Yeah, undeploy. Okay, now you don't have any deployments. Now go to deploy. That execution will be there. That execution is done, right? Now go to packaged components. See, you have it here. That is why we create a packaged component. Though we undeploy or delete the deployment, in packaged components, you will have it here. You can deploy it again if you want. Okay, this is the use of packaged components. Okay, now any doubt with related to this?
So today we covered the packaged components and deployments.
Decision shapes, map shapes, all those things we have covered, right?
Yeah.
How to add a decisions, how to change the routes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So build is like where we are building the process.
Developing, yeah, developing the process.
Deploys the environments we are deploying.
Yeah, usually support roles they use deploy and manage tab.
Okay.
Developers use the build tab.
Okay. Manage is like we have to, I mean the log files.
Manage like item management, process reporting. Process reporting I showed you, right? Whatever executions had happened, that one. Item management. Yeah.
Item management is something different, or Kshetra?
No, item management I told you in the first class only, right? Atoms will be there, environments will be there, creating
Okay,
that one.
okay.
That
So
one.
those things, okay. I
Yeah.
remember test environment.
Yeah, creating new environments. That one. Processing reporting is like whatever the process has executed,
Executions, okay.
that data will be there. Yeah. Now, if you want, you can click on that converting. You will see that will be saved as document. Beside refresh button is there, no?
Kshetra, you mean like this thing?
Yeah, that one. Click on that. I'll show you that also, because no, you don't have to leave any doubts. See, execution.tcs, that file will be there. So whenever somebody is asking, let's say for example, your client is asking, I want all the details of the error processes. Okay, click on the filter for error and export the document and share this document with your client. That these are the process and this is the status at this time that is error has occurred. All details will be there. What is the error message? You can share this document directly instead of saying each and every process which has error is shown. You can just select the filter, like you can select the time range filter also. If they want like previous months, like say if your client is asking, I want previous months, this one, that time you can add filter for previous month. Or you can, they are saying like past 1 week, whole 1 week errors should be given. You can select past 1 week and select on errors, apply, and they want filter. One more thing, and they want filter for this particular process, like say select new process there, process. Yeah, you can select new. In the organization usually have many processes here. You can select which process they are asking for. Now we have only one process deployed, right? So that is only showing one process there. Select and apply, and only those processes will be shown here. All other processes will be removed. Only the process which filter you have added, that will be, like for example, to give you like silly example, like shopping list, or you're doing online shopping, you're adding filters. Filter on money, this much price range should be there, like that. You'll add filters, right? Yeah, you can add a number of filters. How many filters you want, you can add. Okay, atoms, because you have already added process name, you can select atoms, in which atom it is run, prod atom or test atom, which atom you want. You can add that and convert this, export to CSV, and you'll get it as a document and share that document with the client or the person whoever asked you those details. Okay. Yeah, this is like the basic integration essentials. Okay, whatever basic entry level Boomi. Okay, whenever you're trying for searching for jobs, you'll get the basic questions on this only. Like if you're trying for support roles, these are the basic questions asked. Where do you deploy? How do you undeploy? Where is manage tab? What and all you have in manage tab? What do you do in build tab? What are shapes? Okay. Yeah, tomorrow, if not day after tomorrow, I'll give you an assessment, like basic Google form with basic questions of this, so that you can get to know where you stand and work on that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else, Shakti?
No, Chetan.
Okay. Yeah. Any more doubts, or are we good to end the session?
Yeah, we are good to end the session.
Okay. Thank you, Shakti. Go through this whole thing of the basic essentials. So we'll move on to next topics tomorrow.
Yeah,
okay.
sure.
Yeah. Today we have gone through the map shapes. How do you map the map functions? Okay, and decision shapes, branching, conditional branching, and also exceptions, error message, how to set error message. Okay, and deployment and deployment, process reportings. Okay, all these topics.
Okay.
Yeah, go through that, and if you have any doubts, ask me tomorrow in the first. Okay.
Sure, Chetan.
Okay. Thanks, Shakti.